let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to choose the correct answer. The question is the value of the integral, which is from minus pi divided by the 2 to pi divided by the 2. Integral is x raised to the power 3 plus x cos of x plus tangent 5 of x plus 1 multiplied by the dx. Basically, we have to solve this integral and we have to find out the value of this integral. So here we are having a property whenever there is limit from minus a to plus a, which is there in our case. When the limit is from minus a to plus a, f of x multiplied by the dx. So there are two cases. It will be either 0 or it will be either 2 integral from 0 to a f of x multiplied by the dx. The condition for the first one is that if the value of the f of x, f of minus of x become equals to minus of f of x. So first condition will apply if the value of f of minus x become equals to minus of f of x, and if the value of the f of minus of x is equals to f of x, then second condition will be applicable. So in our function we are having the value of x raised to the power 3, we are having the value of x multiplied by the cos of x, and we are having the value of the tangent of 5 of x, and the another is 1. So this is the value of the f of x. Now the value for f of minus of x from here become equals to minus of x raised to the power 3, minus of x raised to the power 3 become equals to minus 1 multiplied by the x raised to the power 3, which is equals to minus of x raised to the power 3, which is equals to minus of fx. X multiplied by the cos of x, this become equals to minus of x multiplied by the cos of minus of x. We know that cos of minus of theta, cos of minus of theta is equals to cos theta. So this from here become equals to minus of x multiplied by the cos of minus of x become equals to cos of x. So this from here is equals to minus x cos of x, which is further equals to minus of fx. Now tangent raised to the power 5. So this from here become equals to tangent of 5. This is minus x. Now this from here become equal. We know that the tangent of minus of theta is equals to minus of tangent theta. So we can write this as minus of tangent of x5, minus of tangent of x5, which from here is equals to minus 1 raised to the power 5 multiplied by the tangent of 5x, and minus 1 raised to the power 5 is minus 1. So minus 1 tangent of 5 of x. So this is also equals to minus of f of x. Now 1 is equals to 1. So there is not x, so it will not change. So 1 will remain 1. So from here we can say that 1 will remain 1. So this will remain f of x. Now we are going to split our function. So initially we are having this limit is from minus pi divided by 2, pi divided by the 2. We are going to split the limit. So the value of I from here is equals to minus pi divided by the 2 to pi divided by 2 x raised to the power 3 dx, limit from minus pi divided by the 2 to pi divided by 2 x multiplied by the cos of x multiplied by the dx. This from here is limit from minus pi divided by 2 to pi divided by the 2. This is tangent of 5 of x multiplied by the dx plus limit from minus pi divided by the 2 to pi divided by 2, 1 multiplied by the dx. So as we discussed above here in this table, the value of for x raised to the power 3, the value of f of minus x is equals to minus of f of x. Same for this case, the value of f of minus of x is equals to minus of f of x, and same for this case, the value of f of minus of x is equals to minus of f of x. But for this case, the value of f of minus of x is equals to f of x. So in the first, second and third condition, the above the property that is this property, this one is applicable. So the value of all this become equals to 0. So we can say that I become equals to 0 plus 0 plus 0. But for this property, this second one is applicable because the value of f of minus of x is f of x. So this from here become equals to plus 2 integral from 0 to pi divided by 2, 1 multiplied by dx, and we know that the integral of 1 is x. So this from here become equals to x. 2 limit is from 0 to pi divided by the 2. So plugging the limit, that is equals to 2 pi divided by 2 upper limit minus lower limit. So the value of the I from here is equals to 2 multiplied by the pi divided by the 2. 2 to 2 cancel. So we get the value of the I, which is equals to pi. I is equals to pi, and from all this, option C, which is pi, is the correct answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this, we use the basic concept of integrals. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.